Hi guys, welcome back to another important video and I hope you're all doing well. Today in this video, I will tell you how you can apply for ADISURC Campania region scholarship and how you can fill the scholarship form easily. So if you got an admission in any Campania region university, so this video is for you specially. So just go to Google and type ADISURC scholarship, scroll down and choose second option scholarship ADISURC RC and click on this option and the main official page will be open. So here you can read the details about your scholarship. So now we will fill the form. So just click on online services option and the page you will look like this. So click on access to online services for 2023-2024 academic year. Just click on it and then click on accreditation option because you are applying first time. So click on accreditation option and scroll down and simple click on accept option. Now we have to fill our personal details for registration of ADISURC scholarship. So first write down your surname and your name, select your gender and select your date of birth. Then select your country of birth, choosing Pakistan. Province of birth and municipality of birth will automatically select it. Then select your city of birth other than Italy. So my city, text code. So simple click on text code generate. So it will automatically generate your text code. Then write down your email. And then copy this email and simple paste confirm email. So back email, skip this option and then simple click on after you option. Next part is your residence. Select your citizenship, your country, province and municipality will automatically select. Fraction is your city. Type your address. Then simple type your civic number. Civic number is your house number. I'm writing randomly, so write down your mobile number. Your domicile address is the same as your official registered address. If your domicile address is same, then simply click on yes, otherwise select no. So all the details filled, then simple click on after you option. Next option is your identification document. So select your document type, select your passport ordinario issued by ADISURC. Write down your passport number and select your country. Select your place, select your release date and then simple upload your passport picture. Your passport picture should be on PDF and the maximum size of the file is 5 megabytes. So just select your passport from your device. So I'm choosing randomly. Then simple click on confirm sending. Then simple click on after you option and choose your password. The password length minimum 6 characters and maximum 20 characters. Choose your strong password. So I'm choosing. So reconfirm your password. And then simple click on after you option. So our registration has been completed. Then simple click on after you option. Go to your email and click on this email. Select your username and copy this option and then simple go to the main page and click on login option. And here you can type the same username and then simple click on login option. So here you can see online application for the scholarship and related benefit 2023. So just simple click on this option. confirm all your personal details that you have already put. So then simple click on save and continue option. So they are asking about back emails, so simple click on this email and then click on this option and then simple click on next. Again click on save and continue option. Again click on save and continue option. You can see benefit request university enrollment. Simple click on type of course you are applying. If you are applying for masters and bachelors, then simple click on first option, and if you are applying for PhD, then click on second option, and if you are applying and got admission in specialization course, then simple click on third option. Otherwise click on first option. So at the university, select your university. So my university is Napoli Federico, so choose your university. You are applying first time, so you don't need to put any things in this option. Freshman is for freshmen. So again skip all three options and then simple click on save and continue option. Next, choose your benefits related to your scholarships. I would like to apply for the following benefits. So choose your admission to residence. If you want to get your residence in university accommodations, university residences, then you simply click on this option and click on first option if you have any handicap disability. Otherwise skip this option and then choose your stay. So I'm choosing this option. So choose according to your university. I ask to stay in double room and then simply click on save and continue option. Next, they are asking about your disability. So if you have any disability, then simply click yes, otherwise select no. That I am stateless student, select no. To be a political refugee student, select no. And that I am a student from particularly poor and developing foreign countries. So I'm from Pakistan, and Pakistan is an underdeveloping country, so we don't come in developing countries. So if you are applying for India, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, then simply click on yes, otherwise select no according to your situation. Then simply click on save and continue option. Next, skip this option, simple save and continue. Candidate with stateless or political refugee status. So if you are in Italy, then select simply in Italy residence, otherwise select abroad and then click on save and continue option. Next, we are asking about equal university ADISURC. So to be possessions of the ADISURC University Certificate signed in 2023, so select this option yes. Next, scholarship amount received in 2021 calendar year. If you are applying second time, then select no. If you are applying first time for this scholarship, then simply click on no option. Next, they are asking about your ADISURC value. So we don't have ADISURC value, so just now write down here 00. All these boxes put 00. When you will reach in Italy and you will make an ADISURC, then simple upload your ADISURC value. You have time till 31st March 2024. So it's enough and it's a good thing. So you can easily make your ADISURC certificate till 31st March 2024. So now just simply click on save and continue option. Next, it's your summary. Check all the details you have. Write down here. So if your all details are correct, then simple click on save and continue option. So they are asking about your confirmation. So just simple click on confirm. He confirmed. So your application has been saved and successfully submitted. Return to home page, and after 24 hours click on received application. So after 24 hours you can generate your receipt, your summary details here. So it's not received, not yet generated. Please try again later. So after 24 hours, it will be generated. So your application has been submitted successfully. You have successfully applied for the scholarships. So this is the video. If you like it and it helpful for you, so just click on like button, and if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe it. So best wishes for you and have a nice day. Thank you so much.